Hey, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel, Mathematics of Today's Generation. Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakihit na rin sa notification bell para updated kayo sa mga panibagong videos na i-upload ko. Okay, by the way, if you are a mathematics contestant, a math coach, you are a mathematics enthusiast, then this tutorial is for you. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, we are now on problem number 31. Okay, an algebra problem number 22. Okay, this problem is taken from the current 15th National Undergraduate Mathematical Olympiad 2024. And it is open to all colleges and universities in Bangladesh. This problem is a repurposed version of problem number 8. And the problem goes, suppose a function f mapping from the natural number to the natural number including 0, where f of 2 is equal to 0, f of 3 must be greater than 0, and for all m and n element of the natural numbers, the recursive function f of m plus n minus f of m minus f of n equals either 0 or 1 as its value. Then we are tasked to find the f of 2024. So in solving this type of problem, we were going to find only some pattern that we can generate out of the recursive function that is given, and with respect to the other given evaluated function values. Okay, so let's begin. So for our solution, so we're going to use the recursive function. So since it could have a value of 0 or 1, so we can have to define a recursive function. So we now have, first is this one, f of m plus n minus f of m minus f of n is equal to 0. And the other one is number 2, f of m plus n minus f of m minus f of n is equal to 1, since it can have a value of 0 or 1. Okay, so then by applying the addition property of equality, so we can place these two function values evaluated in m and n to the right side of the equation. So this follows that we have f of m plus n is equal to f of m plus f of n. While the other one, we have f of m plus n is equal to f of m plus f of n plus 1. Okay? We're going to use these two defined recursive functions now to find the f of 2024. But before that, we're going to look into the pattern first. So, finding the f of 1, we set or we let m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 1. So we have now f of 1 plus 1 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 1. And f of 1 plus 1, so 1 plus 1 equals 2. And f of 2 is equal to 0, so we have 0 here, is equal to f of 1 plus f of 1, so we have 2 times f of 1. And dividing both sides of the equation by 2, so this follows that f of 1 is equal to 0. And 0 is an element of the natural number including 0. So we have here. So it means we consider this function value where the n or m is equal to 1. On the other hand, so we have here f of 1 plus 1 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 1, then plus 1. Then 1 plus 1 equals 2, so f of 2 equals 0. So equals, we have f of 1 plus f of 1, so we have 2 times f of 1, then plus 1. Then by applying subtraction property of equality, so we now have negative 1 equals 2 times f of 1. And dividing both sides of in equation by 2, so we now have f of 1 is equal to negative 1 half. And negative 1 half is not an element of the set natural number including 0. So it means we discard this value and we only consider f of 1 equals 0. So we discard this value. It must be discarded. Yan. Okay, since we do have the value of f of 1 equals 0, then next is we are going to find a f of 3. Okay, finding for f of 3, so we set m equals 1 and n equals 2. Then, so we have f of 1 plus 2 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 2 using this defined recursive function. And the other one, we have f of 1 plus 2 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 2 then plus 1 using this defined recursive function. So this follows that we have 1 plus 2, we have 3. So f of 3 is equal to f of 1 equals 0 and f of 2 equals 0. And 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then f of 3 is equal to 0. But take note, based from our assumption that f of 3 must be greater than 0, it means in this value, although it is an element of the set of natural number including 0, but by our assumption, it does not satisfy. So it means this value must be discarded, or we will not consider, or we must not consider this value. On the other hand, so we have here f of 3 is equal to f of 1 equals 0 plus f of 2 equals 0, then plus 1. Then f of 3 is equal to 1. And 1 is an element of the set of natural number including 0. It is an element of this one, or this set. So therefore, f of 3 can have a value of positive 1. Okay, next, from here, we're going to solve or evaluate other function values in terms of f of 1 and f of 3 and so on. So we now have observe that f of 4, so it means we have m, when m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 3, so f of 4 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 3. That for this defined recursive function, so we now have f of 1 equals 0 plus f of 3 is equal to 1, then 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. On the other hand, this defined recursive function, we have f of 4 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 3, then plus 1. Then this is 0, then this is 1. So 0 plus 1, we have 1 plus 1, so we have 2. So this means, hence, f of 4 can have a value of 1 over 2. Okay, then we're going to find or solve f of 5. So we set, so let m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 4. So we now have f of 5 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 4. Okay, so f of 1 is equal to 0, then f of 4, so we're going to use this first. So we have 0 plus 1 is equal to, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, in the same defined recursive function, so we now have f of 5 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 4 is equal to 0, then plus, we're going to use the other value for f of 4, which is 2. We have 0 plus 2, so it is equal to 2. Now, we're going to use this defined recursive function. So we have f of 5 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 4 plus 1. So we have here, this is 0. Then this is, for example, we use this first one. So 0 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1. We have 2. Then the other one, f of 5 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 4, then plus 1 is equal to, so this is 0, then plus, so we're going to use the other value for f of 4, which is 2. We have 0 plus 2, we have 2, plus 1, we have 3. Okay, so collecting all possible values of f of 5, we obtain that f of 5 can have a value of 1, 2, or 3. Okay. So since there is no space, so I'll clean up the board first, then we're going to continue solving them. We ended up with these function values. So we have f of 1 equals 0, f of 3 equals 1, then f of 4 can have a value of 1 or 2, then f of 5 can have a value of 1, 2, or 3. So we're going to continue the process. We're going to find f of 6 up to f of 7 up to f of k. So we're going to find it now. Finding f of 6, f of 7, then up to f of k. For k is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so now we are going to use the function values that we have obtained. So finding for f of 6, we said n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 5. So we have now f of 6 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 5. Using the first defined recursive function. So we now have f of 1, we have 0 plus. So we're going to use first the value of 5, which is 1. So we have 0 plus 1 equals 1. The next, f of 6 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 5 is equal to 0 plus, so we're going to use the other value of f of 5, which is 2. We have 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Then f of 6 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 5 is equal to 0 plus, so we're going to use the other value, which is 3, equals 3. Then next, we're going to use the other defined recursive function as follows. So f of 6 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 5 plus 1. Okay, then substituting the corresponding values, we have f of 1 equals 0 plus f of 5 equals, okay, we're going to use the first value, which is 1. We have 1. So plus 1. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. The next, f of 6 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 5, then plus 1. So we have here 0 plus, so we're going to use the other value of f of 5, which is 2. We have 2, then plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then we have f of 6 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 5, then plus 1. So we have 0 plus, so we're going to use the last value, which is 3. We have 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So getting all the possible values of f of 6, we see that f of 6 can have a value of 1, 2, 3, and or 4. Okay, so that's it. Now, using the values that we have found here, okay, we can deduce that f of 7 can have a value of 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, okay, based from what we have observed here. Also, we can say that f of k is equal to 1, 2, 3, or k minus 2, where k is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, why? It's because when k equals 3, so we have 1 here because 3 minus 2 equals 1. Then, on the other hand, we have
4. So we have 1, 4, k minus 2, or 4 minus 2, we have 2 here. Next, we have 5 as the value of k. So we have 1, 2, 4. So 5 minus 2, we have 3. And we have here, the value of f of 6 equals 1, 2, or 6 minus 2, we have 4. And we have f of 7, so the value of this is 1, 2, 3, 4, or 7 minus 2, we have 5. So therefore, okay, we can have now f of k equals 1, 2, 3, or k minus 2. And okay, we are going to find now the value of f of 2024. So thus, we can have f of 2024 is 1, 2, 3, 4, or 2024 minus 2, so we have 4, 2022. Okay, so these are the possible values of f of 2024. Okay, and I think it's a good place to start.